Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at super microcomputer and we are mainly tracking this third wave to the upside, and we have two scenarios within this third wave that started in around 2018. And yeah, the difference between these two scenarios is that in one of them we only expect the fourth and the fifth wave that are happening right now to finish this larger third wave, and in the other scenario, the yellow scenario, we are expecting a fourth, a fifth, and then another 4, 5 to complete the larger third wave. Now, going into the shorter time frame, it is possible that this wave 4, or either of them really, either the yellow or the white scenario, wave 4, have completed here and we are going directly higher. But there's also the orange scenario in which we only completed the A wave here, and then the B wave up, and then the C wave to the downside. Now, the green scenario can track either of these two cases where we did finish the correction or we are still forming the fourth wave. But the green scenario suggests that up here we only finished an A wave and then a B wave down, and now we are going higher in a C wave, which could be a reset for this larger B wave, or it could be the start of a diagonal pattern that should take us to new all-time highs. Now, going lower here, in the lower time frame, we have this B wave that possibly completed here. It could still be ongoing. We cannot know that, and we won't know that for quite some time, but we do have the resistance zone in orange up to $55 in the case that we had a B wave up here and then we started a 1-2 setup, which should send us in the third wave lower. But we do have also the green scenario here and the blue scenario, which suggests that we might go directly higher without forming a new local low in this area. And in the green scenario we had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave to the upside that could still be ongoing. We will discuss about that later. And then we would have a fourth and a fifth, which should help us finish the C wave and take us higher. Now we also have the blue scenario in which we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a wave 3 up, a wave 4 down, and the fifth wave to the upside. And this would allow us to draw a new support zone for a 1-2 setup within this larger C wave to the upside. So this would form a wave 1, and then we would have a 2, a 3, a 4, and a fifth to complete the C wave. Now, while you do have this support zone and it is valid, it is very valid, I want to first keep track of the green scenario for now. And in the green scenario, within this third wave, which could still be ongoing, it seems that we might have only completed a wave 1, a wave 2, and the third wave to the upside here, with the fourth wave to come and a fifth wave to complete it. Now, within this third wave to the upside, we are still missing the fourth and the fifth. It is possible that we did complete the fourth wave here. We could have here in the very short time frame a 1-2, 1-2 setup, which could take us directly higher and maybe even max out this resistance zone up to $55 in orange. But it's also a possibility that we are still in the fourth wave, and it would make sense in terms of proportions. If you look at how large this wave 2 was, it would make sense that this, whoops, I meant to take the extension, the feedback extension tool. It's possible that this wave 4 is still ongoing and it would have an ABC correction, A, B, C, and the ideal target would be at 100% extension of the A wave, right around the 50% Fibonacci retracement at around $45.50. As you can see, they are very similar. Now, you do have this support zone and you can use it for a trade. It can be a decent entry, but consider and keep in mind that this is the very short time frame, and you do have also the larger support zone, which we should reach in the end anyway, even if we go higher here in this third wave. So this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I hope to see you in the next video, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.